Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we have a new unboxing. This is from Deepcool. This is a PC case. This is a MATREXX 55 ADD-RGB of course. And okay, this is the box. Let's see how it looks inside. Okay, my friend, it will help me to open this box, okay? And here it is. First look is, as you see, it's a glass. And voila! We are going to find 3 USB, it's 1 USB, it's 3. We have an audio and mic, reset, LED power, LED off and on, and power switch. And this line is changeable with RGB. You can change the color whatever you want to do. Of course, you will see the final product in the end, how it looks. Let's see. Here. Lovely. Let's open it to see how it looks inside. It's very easy to open. Has 4 screws here. This is a glass, not plastic. It's a very nice and decent case. It has a very good cable management. We're going to see how it looks from the back. Okay, 4 screws to open, of course. That's a little hard. Ventilation from here. And here it has a very good space for cable management. Cables for the motherboard. And we are going to install all this. Right in the corner you can see how to install a motherboard and CPU into your case. And I will show you the final product. Very nice. We have 2 wind blade 120. This is from Deepcool. Super silent, big airflow with a white LED, etc, etc. Let's open it. Inside we're going to find 4 screws, Deepcool logo, connection to our power supply or directly to our motherboard. And you can manage the airflow for your motherboard if it's good for the motherboard to do that, if it's compatible. Well, I'm going to show you how it looks in the end with about white color, and let's install it. And we're going to see the final product, how it looks. And now we're going to see the final product. Just power it. See the white fans. Very glossy and shiny. And here's the LED. You can push it, it's changed colors. Very nice. Well, that was all the unboxing and reviewing of this PC case from Deepcool. Thank you again for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. But share this video, you never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.